How to sell products on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide on how you can sell your products on Amazon. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. In order to sell products on Amazon, you'll have to create your Amazon seller account. Now to do so, I've already made a video on that one, but I'll just be showing you shortly here. What you want to do is you can head into your browser and search in for Amazon seller account sign up. Once you have done so, you want to head into this Amazon Seller Central, the second link, not the first one. So it'll just be sorted away. So here what you want to do is you want to log in first using your Amazon account. So you'll have to log in using your Amazon account here, and then it'll ask you to create your seller account. In order to do so, you'll have to enter in your various informations. You'll require your various documents such as your valid government ID, your bank statement, recent bank statement or credit card statement, your chargeable credit or debit card, and such. Now once you do so, what you'll have to do is you'll have to create your LLC, enter in your business information, your seller information, your billing and store information, and identity verification. Once you have verified yourself, then you'll be good to go in order to add your product to Amazon. So here you can see sign up page. You can tap upon sign up, and you will be able to, once you go ahead and create your account, you'll be able to sell and add your products to Amazon. So this way you can sell products on Amazon. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.